The Vertu AI Meta Ring is one of the most interesting and talked about gadgets to come out in 2025. Before we start, are you excited to try the Vertu AI Meta Ring? Tell me in the comments, like, share, and subscribe for new videos every weekday. It belongs to a new wave of luxury tech that focuses more on high-end service and personal style than just showing you charts and numbers on a glowing screen. If you are looking for a device that feels like a personal assistant on your finger, this ring represents a significant shift in how we wear our technology. It moves away from the idea of a gadget that you have to manage. It is meant to be a companion that manages things for you. This is why it has gained so much attention among people who want the benefits of modern artificial intelligence, without the constant distraction of a smartphone screen or a vibrating watch. In a world where we are often overwhelmed by notifications, this ring offers a way to stay connected to your health without being tethered to a digital interface. For a long time, smart rings were mostly for athletes who wanted to track their steps or heart rate during a workout. But the Vertu AI Meta Ring is different because it brings a VIP feeling to your hand that other brands simply do not offer. Vertu is a brand famous for making very expensive phones for celebrities and business leaders. And they have used that same luxury approach here to create something that feels like an heirloom. The ring is a handcrafted piece of jewelry, made from high-quality crystal glass and durable resin, which gives it a deep, polished shine that catches the light beautifully. It is designed for people who want the benefits of a smart device, without it looking like a piece of plastic gym equipment. When you wear it, people see a stylish accessory rather than a piece of health gear, which makes it easier to wear to a fancy dinner, a wedding, or a high-stakes business meeting without feeling out of place. Even though it looks like simple jewelry, the technology hidden inside is incredibly powerful and precise. Because a ring sits on your finger where your skin is thin and blood vessels are close to the surface, it can be even more accurate than a watch that sits on your wrist. It monitors your heart rate, oxygen levels, and body temperature around the clock to build a complete picture of your health. The intelligence of the ring also extends to how it understands your daily environment and your schedule. Because it is connected to the Vertu Intelligent platform, it can cross-reference your health data with your calendar. In conclusion, the Vertu AI Meta Ring shows us how technology is becoming more invisible and more helpful at the same time. It is more than just a piece of metal and glass. It is a new way to live in harmony with the digital world. Like, share, and subscribe for new videos every weekday.